As supply chains become more and more complex, customer expectations continue to rise. And it's hard to stay ahead of the game when not only do you have no clue what condition your cargo is in, you don't even know where it is. If something does go wrong with a shipment, you typically hear about it from your customer, which means you have to spend valuable time and resources on customer service, expedited shipping for replacements, and increased safety stock levels. But what if you knew about problems before they occurred? Now, real-time tracking and cloud analytics can put actionable insights at your fingertips. Tive helps companies eliminate surprises in their supply chain by providing real-time visibility of the location and condition of their shipments. Tive's cellular-connected trackers and cloud-based software enable customized alerts, reporting, and in-depth analysis on shipments across all modes of transport. So you find out about problems before they become problems. Instead of putting out fires, spend your time improving your business. Visit tive.co to learn more.